don't care if nobody else believe it. I believe it. And since I believe it, I'm gonna achieve it. Ding, ding, ding. What's good? It's Fanta Ratty. Welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm a poet, writer, motivational speaker. I talk the talk, I walk the walk, I dance the dance. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know. Alright, so first thing first, right off the bat. Let me put this, what am I doing with this punch out like a dictator? Anyways, first thing first, it only works if you work. So like, I know a lot of people want to like manifest the life they want, but they think that like if they just write it down, if they just say it, it's gonna come. Nah, baby, that's not how manifestation work. I mean, some people get lucky, yeah, like they write something down and it works out. But if you write something down, you have to work at that. Like, you don't just write it down, go to sleep, wake up, ooh, like, this is the life I want. No, if it worked like that, then everybody would be successful. No, manifestation comes with hard work. So you put it out in the atmosphere, you say, yeah, I want to go do this. And then you work every day to go get that thing done. Like, for me, in my case, I want to be a spoken word poet, but like, I want to be known like on the brinks, right? So my home screen is like a Google search of spoken word poets and then like a photo of me. And I'm gonna put that down so y'all see what I'm talking about. And every day I wake up, I look at that and I remember like, yo, this is where I wanna be. This is who I wanna be, so I have to work every day. If I don't feel like writing, I just get something out. It could be trash, doodle. It don't matter, at least I got it out, right? So in your case, say you wanna like, you know, be a dancer on the big screen and you're not dancing every day. You telling yourself you wanna be a dancer, you telling your parents you wanna be a professional dancer and you're not dancing every day. What you think gonna happen? You think you're gonna go to sleep, wake up, you're gonna be dancing on the big screen? No, you're just gonna be home wishing you was a dancer, telling people manifestation don't work. No, it's cause you don't work. If you go out, you dance, you practicing, you getting your name out there, you networking with other dancers, before you know it, you're gonna be dancing on the big screen with the big dancers and you're gonna be like, yeah, I worked for this. Cause nothing comes for free. Nothing. So you think writing something down is gonna make it come to life? No, that's not gonna happen. I'm sorry, and I'm telling you the truth. Some of these YouTube channels are saying like, write it down, just keep writing it down, keep writing, it's gonna come. No, it's not. It's not gonna come. It's really not. I promise you, it's not. If you work though, if you put the work behind your words, shit, you're gonna be lit in no time. Like, I promise. You have to believe what you are saying. Like, you can't just say, oh, I can see myself successful in 5 years and then not actually believe it. Because if you don't believe it, you won't achieve it. You see, that's the poet in me coming now. But yeah, anyways, if you don't believe what you're actually saying, like, it's not gonna, like, you have to believe it in your heart. Like, you have to know that it's gonna happen. If you don't believe it, your body knows. Your body carries signals that you don't have to tell them. So yes, you're saying this, but you don't really believe it. Your body knows it's BS. So it's not gonna happen. Believe everything you say. Like, if you really believe that like this is your calling, this is what you've been put on this earth to do, rock with it. Wear it on your chest. Be like, yes, this is me. Even if everybody else is laughing at you. Cause look, me, I'm an econ major, economics major. I have summer internships every summer at investment banks, at asset management firms. Of course, when I'm telling people in my senior year of undergrad, yeah, I think I want to be a full-time poet. Like, I want people like, what? You want to be a poet? Like, you could make mad money doing this. I'm like, yeah, but it's not about the money, bro. Poetry make me feel a way that no firm can make me feel. Don't get me wrong, I love messing with the numbers and I love like that finance world. I love it all. But poetry makes me feel a way that nothing else compares. Like, I talk about my feelings all the time. And poetry just helps me put it into fruition, put it into the world, and like connects me with other people who are like emotionally available and out there. And like, I'm not gonna get that sitting at an office job. Like, I'm just not gonna get that. Like, I talked about it in my poem. I'm gonna drop the link below called White Girl Once. Like, I don't wanna be stuck behind a cubicle my whole life. Like, I don't wanna do that. Like, I'm gonna find a way to, you know, get the finance into my art world, but I'm not gonna suppress my art to be in no finance world. But when I say that to people, like,
what? You going crazy, you bugging, like, you
need to be making money. You can't be a writer. Writers don't make no money. This writer gonna make money. I'm putting it out to the atmosphere right now. This writer, Fanta Ratty, is gonna make money. That's it. I don't care if nobody else believe it. I believe it. And since I believe it, I'm gonna achieve it. Ding, ding, ding. Also, watch what you say. So like, say, you know how sometimes we say like, oh, I'm broke, or oh, like, I can't do this, I can't do that. Like I said before, your body does not know the difference. So you could be just joking like, oh, I'm so broke, right? You just put that out there that you so broke. You put that out in the atmosphere. You was playing, but now it's gonna reap. You're gonna reap those benefits of being broke, even if it's the mindset or money-wise. Like, don't say I'm so broke. Like, don't say it. You're not broke. You down right now. You gonna be up soon. Like, broke? No, none of that. We not broke, baby. We getting money, baby. Even if it's not regular money, baby, we getting money, baby. I don't even know what that means, but we not broke.
Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't think
it, don't breathe it, don't. We not broke. We may come from like circumstances where we weren't like granted the best riches and the most money, and we don't have all that privilege, but we not broke. That's a mindset that we don't need. Broke is a mindset that you need to throw in the garbage right now, because you're not broke. And the reason why you're watching this video is because, you know, you want to manifest some good stuff in your life. So stop saying you broke, because you're not. You're not broke. Okay, say it with me. I'm not broke. I'm down right now, and I'll soon be up. That's my guy. That's my girl. And for my non-binary watchers, that's my person. I got all ya. I got all ya. Also, I do this a lot. Speak positivity to yourself. Like, I feel like people are like wrapped up in like other people telling them that they're doing good, that they don't, like, if other people aren't telling them they're doing good, they don't feel like they're doing good. You tell yourself you're doing good every day. Oh, you're awesome. Oh, this is a good thing. Even if it's something really little, like you finished a project. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I'm gonna accomplish this. Yeah, this is gonna happen for me. You have to speak positivity into yourself. You have to bring yourself up on your darkest days, because I'm sorry, people not gonna support you till you at the top. And once you there, then you're gonna have all these people who claim they was down for you, claim they weren't. And that's okay, because you don't need them anyways. Poet coming out again. That's the poet in me. But anyways, yeah. So speak it until you believe it. Even if you don't believe it yet, speak that positivity into yourself, and I promise you, you're gonna wake up one day feeling like you're invisible, like you are who you are. God put you on this earth for a reason, because he did, or she did, or they did put you here for a reason. And like, don't belittle yourself. Don't tell yourself you ain't gonna be nothing, because everybody in your life told you that. They don't know what they talking about. And once you do make it, they're going to regret what they said. So not saying like you should want to succeed to prove everybody wrong. Succeed for yourself. And while you're doing that, you're going to prove everybody wrong. Like, everyone who didn't believe in you, they will start to believe in you. So all I'm saying is speak that positivity, speak that light, speak that good stuff. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. So I'm a writer, so like, you know, I write a lot. But what I would say is write. Like, where do I see myself in 5 years? And I write all this stuff. And even if it's like far-fetched, I write it down. Because part of manifestation is writing. Like I said before, it's not only writing, but it is writing. I write what I imagine that life will be like when I get there. So like, I said I want to be like a famous spoken word poet. I write what it would be like when I am at that stage, what my life would be like, what my day-to-day would be like. And that also helps me, and it pushes me to go more and more, because like as I fantasize about that life, I just want to go harder because I want to achieve that. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to achieve that. I want to get there. So like when you write down that life you want, even if it's something small, like, yo, I just want to finish this one class with a B. Manifest that, bro. I'm going to finish this class with a B, and when I do, I'm going to tell all my professors I hate you. If it make you feel good, it make you feel good. What somebody gonna say? Nothing. What they gonna say? Nothing. You got your B. You did what you had to do. Period. Number 4, be patient. I know a lot of people who like feel like, oh, like I've been like writing this down. I've been working for like a year, 2 years, and I'm not where I want to be. And this person just started and they way ahead of me. Don't compare yourself to the next person. I look at it like this. Say you're in a car, right? You're in a car. You're driving down your road. Why are you going to be looking to the left and the right? Just look what's in front of you. Just look at your lane and what's in front of you. Tunnel vision. It's just you. So say somebody has like, risen up the ranks higher, faster than you. So, okay. Congratulations to them. But this is about you. Like some people rise up fast and they fall just as fast. And some people gradually go up, and once they did, they did. So what would you rather be? You want to go up fast and then boom. Or you want to, learn along the way. So when you get there, you're so prepared that like there's nothing that anyone can do, anyone can say. Like, so be patient. Like, yes, you want a new job and it's taking you longer than someone else, but they got a job before you, but the job that you're about to get is gonna pay twice as much as their salary, and it's gonna be worth the wait, cause you know. So just look at it like this: everything happens for a reason. There's a reason why you watching my video. There's a reason why you about to subscribe. See, manifesting that. Everything in your life happens for a reason. Everything. So if you feel like something is not going your way and you just do not understand it, like, why me? Like, why is this all happening to me? It's happening for a reason. And it's going to all make sense in the end. Like, it might not feel like that in the moment. In the moment, you may feel like you have nothing left to give. You're desperate. You're giving out. But I promise you, if you keep working, there's going to be light at the end of the tunnel. Like, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. And if you can't make it that far, find light exactly where you are at. Find joy in the little things. And then when you get to the big thing, you'll be straight because you already found the happiness in the smaller things. So, like, don't just, like, get boggled down. Don't compare yourself to others, because I promise you, you ain't going to get nowhere doing that. Nowhere. No one's posting their failures. No one. And if they are, they're posting it because they already have overcame it. You know what I'm saying? So you look up to these people on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. They're not going to post when they fail. They only going to post when they at the top. And that's the only thing you're going to see. And you're going to be discouraged because you're going to be like, damn, like, why I'm not up there? You're going to get there. And when you get there, people's going to look to you and be like, how she get there? How he get there? How they get there? So that's what I'm going to say. Everything happens for a reason. Be patient. If you want to manifest the life you want, you got to be patient. Like, you can't rush it. Like, it's the universe. The universe works on its own time. So if it wants you to get it fast, it's going to give it to you fast. If it wants you to work for it, to teach you lessons along the way, which is the route that I will take every single time, that's what's gonna happen. So you can't rush it, because if you rush it, then it's not manifestation. It's something that you forced, you put out into the world, but you forced it out there, and you're not gonna get the results you want. That's just the truth. I don't care what anyone tells you. That's the truth. You're not gonna get what you want if you force it. But if you work every day, you believe what you say, you write down your goals, and you be patient, it's gonna work out. I promise you it's gonna work out. And you're gonna come back to this video and you're gonna thank me because I gave you the real. If you made it through this whole video, thank you. You don't know how much of an anomaly you are, because I just realized that people don't watch full videos. I'm telling you, my heart was broken when I found that out. But anyways, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you feel. Tell me about things you manifested in your life. Tell me how it's going. Like, if you disagree with anything I said, yeah, I'm open to criticism. Look, I'm still growing. I'm still learning. So I'm not going to shut you down. You know, it's an open space. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share to your friends. I want everybody to be successful. So, you know, we got to manifest the life we want. We can't sit back and wait. And this is the perfect time to do it. The whole world has stopped. We are all at home right now. Look, the only way is up for all of us. So thank you again. All right, peace out. Ratty out.